In this video, I'm gonna show you how to play Dragon Ball Legends in mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. First of all, I will point out that if you are using iPhone or Android, it's the same process. So, the first step is you can click right here on Chrome on your favorite browser and you go to the search bar. So, you need to search for Dragon Ball Legends and click search. Now you see the search page. If you swipe down right here, you see the official page of Dragon Ball Legends. You need to click in this link right here. So you will go to this page, and as you can see, the download is for free on App Store and Google Play. But you don't need to do that process. You can just go to your Google Play or your Apple Store on your phone and click. After open the Google Play Games or Apple Store, you go to search bar and search for Dragon Ball Legends and click to search. And as you can see, the game is the second one. So you need to click here and click to install. After the download, you can now click on the play button to start playing the game. When you open the game, you will be able to select your language. So when you choose that, you need to click in OK. Now you can click in yes. After that, you see this page telling you that you have to be 40 years old or older to download and play. So after that, you can just tap to continue. After that, you see this page and you can just click in download all. And you have to confirm and click in yes. So you just have to wait the download of this bar. When it finishes, you will be able to play the game. After the load page, the game will automatically put you in a tutorial match. So he will teach you how to play the game. So I hope I helped you in how to play Dragon Ball Legends on mobile. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.